how to make money using AI, how to actually incorporate AI into your business. In this video, I'm going to tell you few things about AI, how you can use in your business and how I am converting my funnel agency into AI driven business. It is going to be an amazing video where you might get new ideas on how you can run business using AI and how to implement that in your business. Imagine a 20-year-old kid today learning that particular skill directly using AI. He is 10x faster than a traditional way. Can you imagine how powerful or important it is for you to incorporate AI into the business? In 2024, if your business is not AI driven, there are high chances you would lose a lot more opportunities. So moving forward, first discuss about AI, how AI can transition your business, right? Imagine one thing. Let's say you are in the age of 20 to 30 years, right? And you have learned some topic 2 years back. Now 2 years back AI was not there, you are right. So you learned the traditional way of topic where you learned, understood, implemented, did some research, and eventually you are using all your learning into your business or your skill, basically a skill, right? But imagine a 20-year-old kid today, what he is doing. He is learning that particular skill directly using AI. Now he is 10x faster than you. Am I right? He is 10x faster than you. Now the speed of implementation of a 20-year boy who has learned a skill using AI. Now consider an example. It can be a copywriting skill, it can be a funnel building skill, it can be a email writing skill, right? These are smaller skills, but he has learned using AI and you have learned in a traditional way, and you are not using your expertise to grow your business of funnel building or copywriting or marketing or social media content or your business with AI, with latest trends of AI. You are going to lose with a 20-year-old kid who has actually learned all these skills just by using AI. Can you imagine how powerful or important it is for you to incorporate AI into the business? So this was to tell you that you have to start implementing AI into your business, otherwise you are, it's like when the website came into the picture, people were telling it's a bubble, it will burst. But it was very mandatory to have a website. It became mandatory to have a website into the business. Now then came the internet, social media. It was very important. Like if your business is not digitally present or you are not social media present, you will eventually lose the business. That's how many people say, right? So today I would say in 2024, if your business is not AI driven, there are high chances you would lose a lot more opportunities if you don't incorporate into AI. So start doing that. It's very important. The second topic, the benefits of AI. Okay, then I'll tell you how I am going to benefit into my funnel agency. First, the speed at which you can implement things would be 10x. Now understand one thing. Now after the ChatGPT released in 2022, what it does, it actually communicates like a human. It does task of a human. Now understand one thing, it's not just about speed. If you say I can do at much better speed, I understand you might do it. But when you expand your team, you expand your business, the other person might not be able to do it. Your team member might not be able to do it. But AI or ChatGPT can do it at much faster speed. So rather than having one employee into your team, you can have an employee who is trained at AI or ChatGPT, can do work of 2 employees. So you are not just doing it at speed, but you are saving the cost of 1 team member. Can you imagine the speed plus cost? Plus now just by having 1 team member, you are able to handle 2 clients. Now if you use AI in a better way and build a system, I'll tell you in the later terms how you can build a system also. That is very important. But when you build a system, instead of managing 2 clients with 1 employee, now you can manage 3 clients, 5 clients also if you have a productized service or productized thing. Can you imagine? Not just the cost, it's you can increase the revenue, increase the profit margin, increase your growth of the business. So these are the benefits of incorporating AI into the businesses. Now coming to the most important point, system. How you can systemize it. Now in AI, there are few things where you can create the custom thing. Take an example, you are a company who basically find employee for other companies. Let's say you are a team of HR, you give employee to other people. So your main job is resume screening. You screen all the resume, or you find all the resume and understand that he or she is a right candidate and give that resume to the particular company, and eventually he takes the interview and the whatever the process, your process is. Now imagine your 10 people are screening 100 resumes in a day, per day. Imagine from 10 people, only 2 people screening 100 resume in a day using power of AI. Okay, so that is system. Now you can double, not triple or 10x your business using AI. This was just one example. Okay, for this what you have to do? For a particular task, you can create a custom GPTs. Now like ChatGPT, AI is not ChatGPT. AI is a GPT. Okay, AI is a GPT. It's not ChatGPT. 99% of the people don't know that AI is GPT. Okay, but with GPT, we can create multiple things. When OpenAI, the company which created ChatGPT, actually created the GPT, and eventually when that GPT was able to communicate like a human or chat like a human, eventually the new product was born that was called ChatGPT. Okay, now from this GPT, the ChatGPT was born. With ChatGPT, can't we create SMS GPT, where if your business is creating SMS for clients, you are giving a service where you are creating SMS or creating scripts for your client, why don't you create a SMS GPT and productize this, and instead of doing this in one day, you can do this in 30 minutes. And how can we do that? ChatGPT has an option to create custom GPTs, and that's how you can systemize your business. You can have your own output. Many people say that output is not good via ChatGPT. Yes, it won't be good because you have not systemized it. And how to systemize it is via custom GPTs. You can create your own output, own input. Okay, that is very deep, how to create that custom GPT. If you loved it, if you want to know more about it, let me know in the comment box how to create custom GPTs, how to automate all those stuff. We would definitely do a video on that too. Okay, moving forward, so we can, as I already told you, we can create custom GPT, and you can name anything, like example SMS GPT, email GPT, whatever. And your GPT is built on actually ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT is trained to talk like a human. All you have to do is train him to create emails. Did you got the point? So these are the things. So tools which you can start using in your business. One is ChatGPT. Okay, then create your custom GPTs and see how your business transition to next level. Okay. So there are many n number of tools which I am going to create another video on, only on the tools which you must use to automate your business. There are tools like make.com to automate the flows, tasks, like let's say one data is coming from your website going into Excel. From Excel it is going to, let's say, some email tool. From email tool you are trying to send some email. So there are tools like make.com which will automate the complete flow, and eventually it will also take the data or email from ChatGPT or your custom email GPT. So you don't have to even write the email because ChatGPT is going to do the work, and you can create the complete flow using make.com. So we might create another video for that. Now fourth step is implementation of AI. Start implementing on the smaller things. So for this I'll explain you how I am doing it. Okay. So once you get with an example, you will have the much clear understanding of how I am implementing it, so that you can also implement it. So since I am running a funnel agency, as I already told you, so what we are doing in funnel agency, first major role is copywriting, right? Let's say I am creating what type of copies? One is landing page scripts, emails, SMS, voice scripts, content, video scripts. Now imagine if I create a custom GPT for everything, every damn thing. Don't you feel these are the smaller part of funnels? Like these are the smaller part of funnels, and I'm trying to understand what all does it take to do a complete copywriting. Okay, and I'm using all of these stuff and creating a custom thing of all of these and eventually implementing that into my business. The speed of implementation is 10x faster. So what I have also done is, I saw that my copywriter was taking one complete day to write 10 SMS and 10 voice scripts. So whenever a user registers on a website, what we do is we send SMS to them, and also they get an automated call that you are successfully registered, right? So not just that, this is one example of SMS and voice script. But what happens is, let's say when he registered for a particular day, and eventually till the day comes, he gets multiple reminders, multiple invites in those particular days. So to create the complete flow, we need at least 10 SMS and 10 voice scripts, and our copywriter was doing that in one complete day. Eventually what we did was basically told ChatGPT to create a SMS GPT for us. Okay, like this is the custom GPT. Now what we did, we wrote 10 questions which actually were relevant to create those SMS, and eventually when you start talking to GPT, you have to answer them. Like what you have to do, let's say you are a copywriter, I want to tell you to create an SMS. I will tell you, I will give you something, right? Otherwise how will you be able to write a proper SMS for that particular product? I have to tell you every detail of a product, and eventually will tell you that you have to create a 160 letter SMS which I can send to the client. So first we have to give all the instructions, okay, about the business. So now what custom GPT does is automatically ask those 10 questions, user will give the input, and according to our instruction, it will create a SMS, and not just one SMS. Imagine in one single instruction, I am telling him to create 10 different SMS and 10 different voice scripts. So imagine, I am just answering 10 simple questions, and in 10 simple questions, a custom GPT can create 10 SMS and 10 voice scripts, which within 10 minutes. Okay, so instead of wasting my one complete day, eventually I got all of this in 10 minutes. Okay, now many of you will tell me, Sagar, that output will not be good. Output will not be good. Okay, you are wrong. Output is much better. Why? Because we know that with our experience what SMSs convert. So in custom GPT there is a thing called knowledge base. Now in our knowledge base plus in our instructions, we have already giving GPT or a custom GPT that you have to create all of this in this way only. We are not telling that person, okay, assuming that he or she is a good person, but still we are training him to give this type of output only. Why wouldn't he or she give a proper output? So output is not at all the problem until and unless we are training him by giving our best winning SMSs and proper instructions of what to do and what not to do with right answers of those 10 questions. Why would a chat GPT or a custom GPT will not give the better output, right? So it's not about the output. So this is how we are converting our funnels traffic agency into funnels traffic AI agency, where we are not just incorporating the implementation of AI into copywriting part, but we are going to even create some chatbots. We are also going to create some automated flows. We are also going to create some editing side stuff, or we are going to use tools also to make the process faster. So if you are still thinking